Yeah, what's good, guys? Market might have finally hit a bottom. For now, maybe for a while. We're gonna go over that in this video. I'm also gonna show you, um, my profits on my short position, on the NASDAQ, which I started about 2 months ago. I just closed that today. I'll go over that a little bit. We're gonna, of course, take a look at the technicals on SPY. I love my technicals. Yeah, shouldn't be too long of a video. Just pointing some stuff out. Going over what I said in my last video. I was looking at 385. We bounced off 385 today, and yeah, let's hop into the video. Take a look at the charts. So today we bounced off of a pretty crucial trend line. Really it was either we crash or we bounce. And I've been aiming for this 385 level for a long time. And if you're in the Discord, you would know that. I've been stressing that level since February. Yeah, I'll leave that Discord link in the description. Join if you want to make some money. The market's getting pretty hot again with the penny stocks. And I mean, every other day we're hitting like 100% on stocks, penny stocks. So join in if you want to make some money, learn a little bit. I'll have that linked in the description. So I think we should, I'll just go over my short position that I got out of today on the NASDAQ. Here's the profit. Sadly, I had to cut a lot of it a few weeks ago for tax purposes, but this was one of my accounts that I had the short position in. You can see I started it on the 18th, which was right around here. The last buy-in on the 6th, but mainly the 29th is when I was really trying to get more. I was buying that when NASDAQ was over 15,000, and I sold today when it hit around 11,700. So 64% gain on that total position. Felt good. Yeah, now I'm going long. So we're gonna take a look at why I'm doing that. And let's make some money. See how it goes. So back to SPY. Right when it hit 385, I gave it a couple minutes, watched for it to hold a little bit, and we were holding, and I went long. I told the Discord I'm going long. Loaded up on QQQ XPXL, and I'm ready for some upside. I think we have some upside coming. And if you go back to my last video, I was stressing that we should be hitting the bottom soon. And in the Discord, I also said we're likely bottoming today because we had a 13 count on the daily, which is a signal for a very high probability of a reversal. And I mean, that's what happened. We went to that level, we tested an important support with that 13 count, oversold, and it was all adding up. And so the odds were in my favor, and I took that play, and so far it's going good. I'm up quite a bit already. So we're also going to take a look at the pitchfork that I've been looking at for a bit. And what do you know? We hit that channel expansion, that outer boundary, for the 3rd time. This is another big thing. If we broke that, we probably just... I have no clue what would have happened. I wasn't really expecting to go lower than 385 or 380, so... Yeah, on that note, I'm also watching for 380. In the case that we don't keep going up yet, that's a fib level, so... If we go lower, I'd be watching for 380. I don't know if we can go below that without a big bounce, so... There's a chance this is actually the complete bottom for a while. Also in the Discord, I mentioned back in February or early March, I think, I had a macro thesis that we would come down to 380, and if all goes well, you know, this actually may be the bottom for a while, and we could be heading to 542 or even 642. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, 540 area, 640 area. But you know, I've had this mapped out for a while, just waiting for it to happen. I think this was the count I had. Might be a little different than that, but nevertheless, this may be the bottom for a while. So I don't know. Now's not the time to go short, in my opinion. 6 weeks of red so far. You're looking for a close above these two main trend lines. I think this one and this one. This big trend line, I think, is the really important one. You know, you get one last massive bounce off of it, and then game over. You know, markets are shaky. Extreme fear we've kind of maxed out that fear factor, in my opinion. I don't know how much more fearful we can be. So, yeah, this is probably likely to be the bottom for now, at least, and might be the complete bottom for, you know, a year or so. I'm not really sure. It's hard to predict that far out because there's a lot of unpredictable factors that can come in, like, you know, Russia, Ukraine. It was kind of hard to see that coming. You know, we had no clue that was coming back here, but you know, that happened, and someone in my Discord was the technicals always line up. It's incredible how it always lines up, but someone in my Discord last year, they went long on oil, and that went parabolic once Russia and Ukraine, all that stuff happened, and you know, he made a lot. He's kind of a prodigy with commodities. So again, join the Discord. You know, if you want that money. A lot of bright minds in there. So join the Discord, make some money. There's not really too much more to say. We're just testing these really big levels right now while we are oversold. Pretty oversold. And something I also was looking at today is we don't come down to these levels very often. You know, like just taking a look at the RSI. We don't come down here very often, and we came down to it on a very important trend line. So, you know, I don't know, you just kind of have to weigh those odds, make up your mind what you think. You know, if we break this, I don't know where the bottom is. There's supports around here, but I don't think we have to worry about that yet. In that case, you know, I can readjust and prepare for that if, you know, in the short term, like next few weeks, somehow we just break some really big levels, and you know, there's just kind of a domino effect where banks and institutions are getting margin called and they're all unloading, and retail's getting margin called and they're all unloading, and you know, everything just kind of collapses. So I don't think that's the case for now. We had a massive pullback to my target of 385. So for now, I'm thinking this is the bottom. I could be wrong, but right now the odds are extremely high that was the bottom, or very, very close to the bottom, which in my opinion may be 380, but with that 13 count, you know, this might be the bottom. So that's really all I have for this video. Almost more of an update, I guess, on how everything's going. You know, we hit that my target from 385, and it looks set to me. So unless I'm wrong, which I can, you know, reevaluate in another video, it seems like it's time to go green. I'm out of my short positions. I'm long for now, and we'll see how that goes. Going good so far. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Join the Discord. Link will be in the description. Show this video some love. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. You know, stay up to date on the market. I don't really miss. So stay tuned. I got some more content coming out with technical analysis, tutorials, big things coming. So stay tuned, join the Discord in the link, and show this video some love. Yeah, that's it. Peace out, guys.